Wheezy look alike. Wheezy look alike. Eswa stepping in. Wheezy look alike. Junior Brian Tori.
Fuhidiem.
Fuhidiem na ba.
Enye easy.
Floating na ba.
Enye easy. Moving na.
Your friend Paulino, Obi at UK, Canada, US, or Germany, or Ireland, or Netherlands, or Italy, or Spain. That's all fan the phone say. When you sue Lemfi or phone so I don't know where you want. I'm sure they tell where you want. Lemfi now they send this guy until he is 0. I rate to be a best and be a Lemfi until he. Now any just say me woman say and now hear me video. Say your first time now download the Lemfi go smartphone so Lemfi ebe chow 5% cashback. Unim so we use Paulino promo code. That is POLEENO. Lemfi so no rate no switch all the other apps. Into my catch so you see Lemfi they are delete all the other apps. Send the become mobile money. And that's what me send the bank account. So wherever you find yourself, be a make sure say Paulino. So what countries are mobile boss so now? Download the Lemfi na e use never send this car. Ebe boa ye send the miso aboa me no. Download the Lemfi or App Store and I say
ticket already?
Not yet, but we'll get some.
Fantastic. What's your name?
Barnabas.
And what are you studying?
HND in procurement supply chain management.
So thank you very much. We'll be expecting you guys there. All right. So, STU photo, I take you over. And they are really supporting Kojo Kasalawe and Ibrahim Traore. And the road has been blocked. And right now, Kojo Kasalawe and Kwa Alpha are one side of the road. Kojo Kasalawe and Kwa Alpha one side of the road. And all the vehicles are also on one side. We are moving gradually. We are moving gradually. Right now, Sunyani Technical University, now STU. Technical University, STU, formerly Sunyani Polytechnic. Massive crowd. People are still pulling up. They are still pulling up. Massive crowd for Ibrahim Traore premiere this evening at the Hughesbeck Hotel here in Sunyani. Wow, wow. Yeah. So, crazy, papa. Very, very crazy. Crazy. So, at the end of the day, we are trying to almost sell a ticket. The tickets are available. Tickets are also available. Do you have your ticket already? You should buy your. Are you not coming for the premiere?
We will come.
And then buy your ticket.
Yeah, we will buy.
Huh?
We don't have money.
So, let's say. So you are a student at STU? Okay. Me promo free baby buy. Wow. Are you all students?
Yes, we are all students.
T-shirts in the also. So have you got your t-shirt?
No, we don't have one.
But what about the tickets?
We will come. We will buy some. Don't worry.
We are expecting you. Okay.
Guy.
You mean the guy? Wow. You never been, and it's really crazy. It's really crazy. The crowd here, they compare crowd about Kumasi. Near the Sunyani, they are atoto honey. So Kumasi and Sunyani, ain't a crowd and a bapa. We are leaving that for you at the comment section. Kumasi and Sunyani, compare the crowd and rate. Sunyani, percentage and Sunyani, and a percentage saying, I would never Kumasi. The Sunyani people, I can say, sir, oh, what a crowd, Sunyani, they have really shown love to Kojo Kasalawe and his movie Ibrahim Traore. You can see how people are pulling up from their houses to join the floater. I know they papa. Kojo Kasalawe, when you're very successful float in Sunyani, you can say floater, it's all about crowd. You can say floater, it's all about crowd. So we need crowd, who to be any float. I know the Sunyani actually say, Omu feeling the wind, papa. Nipa buy, I mean, where they are Atasapa. Yeah. Massive crowd session. I know a team. Papa. Won't go this side. All of you should go this side. And brass band is also, yeah, brass band is also Eddie one. I know a day, papa. Brass band is also Eddie. I know a day, pa. T-shirt and a majabo. Mama, T-shirt and a majabo. Mama. Brass band for no T-shirt or majabo. Brass band or T-shirt or majabo. Wow. Crazy session. Motor riders also rapping. The feeling is so deep. The feeling is very, very deep. I know it, squad, I know it, and it's uncontrollable. Uncontrollable. And we can't control the crowd right now. Wheezy look alike. Wheezy look alike. So I step in. Wheezy look alike. So I step in. Wheezy look alike. Junior Brian Tori. Back on there.
I'm out the most. I'm a baby. Back on there.
Other side. Everything here is beyond control. Everything here is beyond control. Police final crowd on. I had you on sir because crowd no. I know what they. Crazy. Wow, crowd I know what they man. You would in your crowd. See what happened, papa. I know they. Fans, you know, crazy. I know they. And movie now. To me, I know they. Papa. The fans in Sunyani have really shown love to Kujon Council Lilwin. And I know they and after a movie now float no ashase float na kaza ashase today yanko enim say na ye who be agina ye nimo enim ko because squad na no dey ba say so na o wan hwe oni amayi a obi betimi ayira say t-shirts no and omoje no and obedu Sunyani no share from day one. The love has been so deep from the civilians to the security personnel, you know. Omunyina energy Kujon Council Lilwin and in the Juma oil and now regional commander and the team how we receive no about down to the people of Sunyani. And then Sunyani from Kwabrekum for so ha, Yamfo for ha, Sunyani Brekum, Techima, Chra, Yamfo, just Omunina Ababa join it. It was Sunyani Asea, and Yasan Ketagua. So Koyoka Lilwin, Ibrahim Chore, and the team, no. My boy, Juma Papa Yenso, so Polino Multimedia, the fresh boy Papa J. Yes, we are Hasa Baba Boa, Wahun, the Elcoso, Ewa Habia. Now, Unya baby, Angela, Unya baby, I know a day. And yes, and now about it. Floating to Naba, and yes, moving and be premium, Koyon Canceller, and what I say. And yes, for Shidium for your rapping. For Shidium, Omunina, police for the crowd, you almost I do almost because crowd don't know the Uko control, Bia, so like I say, Bia, oh, Hano. 80 Kakaka police for the tricep. On baby biama niama akoso kama ewa enye easy to me bag ni mama I am money bag T-shirts now, thousands of T-shirts, and I channel now I don't think so. When you have your T-shirts, you say I block it street. Nanka me penisenka we no, nka park me so. Nanka ya T-shirts in the area, and sana ya movie after street because sana ya T-shirts no, I know I block the street no, just unya baby apo. And police fans what you say the necessary route to be over for be an man crime now why I don't know answer cars about one careful my man is saying I know bro omubu ade no kwa omubu you know, a pavement block. I know it. Mama, but you're here, Wana. Come account. You're here. Could you castle away and RG Street in the back? Why there? I guess so. Obey or two man among your biaji. Easy. Ah, Wizzy Ampa. I'm on for Fred. So we're going to the road side. As a higher crime to the ultimate tomb rebel. At least I'm on this side. Yes, I should be. Obiya to me because I know society. Wow, crowd another day. Now I wish that crowd when you have a band about share a movie in the I wish that Omuna Baba Numre, our best movie in the crowd there were thousands of people and I show up. Thousands of people and I show up. Petitions in Bina. I know they. The fans in Sunyani, very, very serious.
Why? He's not going this side.
Yeah, because of you see the vehicles are going this way, so it's not safe, right?
So how do we get some?
But you're wearing a t-shirt already.
Oh, I want to.
I don't think all of you can get a t-shirt.